Crazy kids. Hi, Molly. Who's that lady? Molly Dance. Oh, pretty girl. It's Friday, September 6th. Hi, Boogie. Where are you going today?
School.
Why are you wearing a red shirt?
Because it's Red Day.
What are you going to bring today?
My fire truck and my red guy.
Why?
Because it's show and tell day.
It's kind of hard to understand you when you talk like that, Sweetie Bear. Oh, how did you like lunch yesterday?
It was.
Was the macho nachos?
Yeah, macho nachos.
Did you like them?
Yeah.
Good. Hi, little pretty girl. Say mama. Molly, say hi, mama. Hi, mama. Say hi, mama. Mama.